Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to present about AI application in real world. Our group consists of 3 members, which me, Nurasminfa binti Zamri, 284540, Nuriza Akila, and Arif Daniel. The reason I choose TikTok as application that use artificial intelligence in real life world is because TikTok is powered by AI technology. This technology optimizes its content creation, curation, and recommendation. Secondly, TikTok is an application that enables its users to fulfill and satisfy their fine desire by creating various kinds of video. Artificial intelligence that being used is what keeps its user addicted to the app. Within the day, the app can get to know you so well it feels like it's reading your mind. What is the problem that application is intended to solve? Social media can be a good thing. However, along with the good comes the bad. With all of its benefits, the nature of social media presents a range of potential issues. The more time spent on social media can lead to cyberbullying, social anxiety, depression, and exposure to content that is not appropriate for a certain age. Next, fighting hate speech and trolls on social media has been one of the biggest challenges to date. Improper content being shared and may lead to explicit content being exposed to underage users. The reason I think AI solution is suitable for the problem because we have built an AI that can easily identify hate speech and terrorist language with the help of deep learning, machine learning, and natural language processing. As the result, the social media has banned over 300,000 terrorist accounts. We also could filter the explicit content from being spread and watched by underage users. We also could use algorithm to detect the user that use social media for spread hate and improper content, so it will make us easier to ban those users. How AI is being used or implemented in TikTok. Here is how TikTok algorithm work. TikTok analyze user behavior, search interaction with content, and their basic data like language and device use. Based on this analysis, TikTok form a detailed user profile highlighting the person's core personality traits and interests. TikTok then use this profile and match it with the most relevant content. To find which content is relevant, TikTok use 3 things, which is natural language processing to make sense of the caption, and then computer vision to identify what the video contain, and metadata such as hashtag, audio use, and people tag. When a video is first posted, TikTok show it to a small audience. Then, based on whether or not the groups like, watch, or share the video, TikTok decide whether it should be recommended to the more people or not. These are the benefits of using AI in the TikTok. For the consumer, TikTok algorithm quickly absorbs the individual reference. It captures both the like and the comment of user as well as the record of duration of the video they have watched. The algorithm will automatically show the user the type of video based on their preferable, so it makes it fun and addictive for the consumer. And as for the producer, AI support the content creator in devising viral video. It simplifies video editing and suggests enhancement in components like music, hashtag filter that are trending or have proved to be popular based on the category. This will make it interesting and fun for the producer or content creator to create more video.
Hi, my name is Arif Daniel bin Osmira and my metric number is 288932. One of the social media that using AI is Snapchat. First, Snapchat is powered by AI technology. Snap, the parent company of social media app Snapchat, has acquired a British artificial intelligence startup called Ariel AI, which focuses on augmented reality. Second, it's offered by Snapchat. Snapchat is a popular messaging app that lets users exchange photos and videos called Snap that are disappear after they're viewed. Third is user addiction to Snapchat. It advertised as a new type of camera because the essential function is to take picture or video, add filters, lenses, or other effects and share with them.
What is the problem that Snapchat is intended to solve? First is instant communication through our phone. Second is privacy to users during they use social media. Last but not least is provide a virtual reality-based experience of the real world. Why do you think AI solution is suitable for the problem? The first reason is with the combination of AI-based algorithm and augmented reality, Snapchat has reimagined retail with the help of the insight that users are more motivated to buy after they are allowed to interact with the product. Second, AI can read and write using natural language generation and natural language processing. It can detect and mimic tone of voice using sentiment analysis.
It can detect images, videos, and faces using image recognition and computer vision capabilities. Last one is an AI technology is used to track your features and overlay filters that move your face in real time. How AI is being used or implemented in Snapchat. First is to create filters. For filters, Snapchat uses AI-powered lenses with small machine learning models to detect a face and differentiate the structure and features within it. Second is to create business. Snap is setting up a system that will allow sellers to easily upload AR version of their real products and users can easily discover this on Snapchat. The third one is understand user privacy. Snapchat uses end-to-end encryption to any snap shared between users, while all the messages are deleted from the servers right after the recipient has read them. The last one is to develop marketing strategies. Snap Inc. launched SnapTrend, which provides valuable insight into the topic and moments that are being most talked in the community Snapchat. Example on how AI works for Snapchat. This process is completed using image processing, facial landmark, plotting point on the face and compare it with the collected datasets and active shape modeling, which creates a virtual face and align it with the real face. The benefit of using AI in the Snapchat is AI understands consumer sentiments toward any particular products or services as well as those competitors. Second, Snap allows us to make our lenses even more intelligent with machine learning. The third one, allow users to share normalcy of day-to-day life made unique with self-expression using filters. The fourth one is smart marketing strategies. Last but not least is understand the change and behavior of the users and getting valuable information is possible through complex algorithms.
Artificial intelligence in Twitter. Twitter is powered by AI technology. Twitter implemented AI firstly to give users a better UX user experience capable of finding interesting tweets suitable individually. Artificial intelligence helps Twitter to detect fraud, propaganda, and to remove hateful accounts. Second, what offered by the application. Twitter is an application that allows people to connect and share their thoughts and feelings with the world. Third, user engagement to the application. Twitter provides instant and trending news. What is the problem that the application is intended to solve? First, for me, I want to know what people who I find interesting are doing or thinking. Want to notify people who are interested in me about things of my choosing. I want to know what topics people care about at this moment, and I want to know what people are saying now about something in particular.
Why do you think AI solution is suitable for the problem? First,
AI used by Twitter for fraud detection, removing propaganda and hateful comments. Second, Twitter also uses AI to recommend tweets that users might enjoy based on what types of tweet they engage with. And thirdly, Twitter can be a useful platform for companies with a steady flow of news flashes or links to share with followers. For businesses with a regular stream of image and short video content. How AI is being used or implemented in the identified applications. Twitter collects a huge amount of data and then runs it through its deep neural network system to find out which users want to see what type of content. Every tweet is ranked in order to figure out whether a user will want to see this tweet in their feed. The ranking model considers various things such as first, the tweet and its content, second, number of likes and retweets, third, the connection of the users with the author of the tweets, and lastly, whether the user has had previous interaction with the author. If the relevancy score obtained from all these factors is high, the probability of showing a tweet to the users increases. What are the benefits of using AI in the identified application? Twitter shows relevant tweet suggestions to every user. While a tweet related to fashion may be relevant to one user, it may not mean anything to another. Artificial intelligence is a tool that helps Twitter achieve this. Now, the AI algorithms are used to scan and then score various tweets to rank them according to every individual's preferences. Twitter using AI for image cropping to offer users a nearly accurate crop. And Twitter is also reducing racist and other offensive contents on the platform with AI.